The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County, southeastern Wayne County, Union County, Indiana, east central Fayette County, Indiana, western Preble County, northwestern Butler County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Liberty, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Richmond, Oxford, Eaton, Centerville, Liberty, Camden, New Paris, West College Corner, Salem, Abington, Brownsville, College Corner, Spring Grove, Somerville, Boston, Richmond Municipal Airport, Dunlapsville, Whitewater State Park, Goodwin's Corner, and Oklahoma. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Indiana between mile markers 144 and 156. I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 0 and 11.